guys, as you can see, I have to just use my vanilla buckle for the roller because I don't know where my rolling pin is. I haven't seen it for a while, so I have to substitute it for my vanilla bottle. Oh my god, but it's giving me a fight, but I get there. Now I'm putting my stuffing in. This is called my cabbage cream chicken dumpling patty. Yes, guys, it's not because I make it, but it tastes really good. You should try it one day. It's really nice with all that cabbage and chicken and all that, seasoning with all my ground seasoning and all of those stuff. I'm just punching some oil into it so that it doesn't burst while it's in the oven. Now see guys, that is the finishing project. It is not too dry and it's not too wet. Actually, look and see. All done, ready to eat.